We are in Amsterdam. I just arrived. We're walking around the airport because we have so much time before our friends get here. And I'm just going to show you random things in the airport. I didn't make this trip with Christina. I made this trip with a bunch of my friends who I've been playing video games with online for at least the past 10 years. Because I didn't actually take the time to introduce them in the video, I'm going to introduce them now. There's Chelsea, Plimbles, Ari, Scott, KK, and Danielle. This was my first time actually meeting them in person, so this was a big moment, and we really took a lot of time just to get to know each other.
Sean, I'm gonna be real mad if like only Scott's in the vlog and you just everyone else.
We're taking a bus to the tulip fields, and that's all. That's pretty much all I got. Look at the height difference here. Yeah. Okay, hang on. There's something in the way. All right, we are on the bus heading to Keukenhof Gardens. I'm hoping that the tulips are out. I'm hoping the windmills are spinning. I'm hoping everything's beautiful. After that, we don't really have that much of a plan. We're gonna get lunch, and then we're gonna do other things after that. Last night, we just chilled out, hung out. Yeah, now we're gonna do more of that probably tonight, so. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the escape room tonight at 6. There's swans! Are you getting mad close? What the fuck? That would be a good cut. Just like so many flowers.
Boys on tour. Boys on tour. Boys.
We're gonna look at more flowers. And then after that, we're gonna look at more flowers. And then more flowers. And then more flowers.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
There we go. We got it. We did it, boys. We did it. Mission accomplished. We got the one-shot meeting. We're leaving the tulip gardens and we're gonna head back home, and then we're gonna go to the escape room eventually. Hopefully we'll make a bus. We have to make our bus right now. So it's 32 euros to get into the tulip fields, and it is one of the largest tulip fields, this one, Keukenhof Gardens, in the country. There's also a windmill here, And there's like a lot of pretty things to see. You can take photos with all sorts of different things. But we've got to run back to this car. It's the bull from Wall Street. Good morning. It's day 3 in Amsterdam. We did go to the escape room, but we couldn't record it. So here's a picture. So today we're kind of taking it easy this morning. This is the room I'm sharing with Scott. So yeah, we're gonna walk around. I need to get a couple things from in the area, so I'm hoping I can get them. But yeah, it's a easy, mellow day. We hung out last night, did some drinking. So I'm tired. But yeah, we're probably gonna visit Harlem today. So we'll see you there. So something really important in Amsterdam is to get a chip cart. If you're going with public transportation at all, you need a chip cart. So there's these machines. There were some in the airport. There are some at bus stops. I mean, there's a lot. At our particular station, I remember though, we weren't able to actually load up our cards at the station. And you can't always load your card up online. It depends on your bank, which I think most US banks aren't accepted for the online payment system. So that was an issue. So make sure that you always keep your card loaded up if you're going to Amsterdam.
Test.
Did it burn? No burn, all right. Awesome. All right, this is an authentic, original recipe stroopwafel from Amsterdam. Here's my first bite of a real stroopwafel, not the hard, crusty ones. It's not as crunchy as like the original stroopwafel. It's really good. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Today was a very long day. Starting with the beginning, we went to a market in the street. I'll put the name of the market there because I know I can't pronounce it. We saw lots of food places. We got stroopwafels. We got takoyaki. It was a nice food market. I mean, we've done so many food markets at this point. Lots of places that had stroopwafels. So after we did the food tour, we walked around a little bit. Went to a bookstore, comic book store. We bought some stuff. After that, we went to the escape room. The escape room was good. I obviously can't get any footage of it, but I did get some inside of the shop. It was a horror-themed escape room this time. So, I mean, it wasn't really scary, but it was fun. I recommend escape rooms. I wouldn't necessarily do it on a trip. But, you know, this is like us hanging out as friends, really. So it's a little different. After the escape room, we got some food. We went to a food market, Food Holland, I believe it's called. There's a regular De Holland, I believe. And from inside De Holland is Food Holland. So you go down like a long hallway, and then Food Holland is there. It's a whole bunch of places for food, beer. And again, I've done these food halls before, so I know how the food halls go. I got some Korean spicy wings. I got some French fries. I was happy. We had some beers, we had some drinks, and then we headed to the red light district. So I obviously don't have any footage of the red light district. It's really just, it's not a tourist trap. It's real. I mean, people really do that. Yeah, we walked through, went to a couple shops, and now we're back home. So that was pretty much the day. I'll update you on anything that happens. Tomorrow is going to be a bigger day. Tomorrow we're going to be doing some more touristy type things. Today was kind of like another quiet day. The last 2 days have been pretty quiet. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. It's our last full day in Amsterdam, so we're heading to the zoo.
Oh, okay.
We made it to the zoo. It's a pretty nice zoo. So far, we've already seen some ibex. We're gonna see if we can find some other animals. So far, what I'm noticing is that the monkeys actually have a lot of space to move around. So I think it's a good zoo to actually take care of the animals and allow them to move around. You must survive. Protect the spirit world. Shiny?
Shiny?
Oh, they're active, bro.
And they're gone.
You can't really see them, but they're active.
You're constantly active here, man.
I can't like track all the action.
Yes, you can. Look.
Fingies.
Fingies in my mouth.
Fingies in the mouth. Feed me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I got that.
Boys.
Boys.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
We've left the zoo and we're walking to our next location, and we're walking through a market. Check it out. We're actually walking through the flower market. After we stopped and got some pancakes, which are really crepes to us, but you know, they call pancakes and crepes basically the same thing in Amsterdam. We walked through the city a little bit of Amsterdam, and at this point we're kind of winding down in the trip. This is my first bite of a Phoebo sandwich. It's like a pastry. Ooh. It's a nice snack. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this different style of video with my friends. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.